Get hot. Gotta make sure I'm not hot. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chelsea Daniels here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here on my channel, we talk all things entrepreneurship, business mentorship and coaching, as well as travel. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if those are things that you're interested in. I am so excited to be back on YouTube. It has been an amazing almost 3 years. Can you believe that? Almost 3 years since I've posted my last YouTube video, and I believe I have about 400 or so subscribers out there. So I wanted to make a video for you all to let you guys know what I've been up to, what's been happening in my world, and what my new channel is going to be about. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned to learn a little bit more about Chelsea Daniels.
Oh boy, I feel weak, I feel insane, I feel you all in my veins. I need you.
So back in 2020, I started this YouTube channel. The Cleaning Lady was the former name of the channel. I was at the time running my cleaning service. I had been in business for a few years. I was a pretty sufficient entrepreneur, working really hard. I had relocated, and it was mid-pandemic, and I was very motivated to start my channel. And I watched, you know, I had a little bit of growth. I have about 400 subscribers on the channel now. I was able to really get, I guess, the gist and the hang of YouTube. But then my business grew tremendously, and I went from cleaning for 5 Airbnb hosts to cleaning for 25 Airbnb hosts. And we went from just cleaning and management to hosting Airbnbs ourselves. And we relocated again and got into Airbnb hosting very heavily. Once we became Airbnb hosts, we decided to start JCD Investment Group. And that was probably one of the best entrepreneurial decisions that I could have made for myself, that we could have made as a family, because again, I had no idea that cleaning was going to bring me to such a, I didn't know that cleaning was building such a solid foundation for us as entrepreneurs. And we fast forward again to 2021. We have been Airbnb hosts for about a year, and we had seen a lot of success. We, were hosting in Los Angeles, California, as well as Atlanta, Georgia. And we had a few units under our belt at the time. And that's when I launched JCD Academy, as, let's see if you can see on my shirt, JCD Academy. So JCD Academy is where I teach entrepreneurs how to successfully get into the short-term rental industry, whether they are renting or they own, and how to enter the industry and learning how to bring revenue into their business with Airbnb. Okay, so now my academy has grown tremendously. I have over 100 online students. I have over 50 or so on mentees that I work with. Last year alone in 2022, we launched over 20 properties for ourselves and other clients. And in 2023, the Academy is taking on 15 students in total. I believe we have about 7 already. So all in all, JCD Academy is thriving. It has gotten way larger than what I ever imagined it to be, and I'm excited for it to continue to grow. So far we've gone from the cleaning lady to professional Airbnb cleaner, and short-term rental management turned to short-term rental host, and now short-term rental business coaching. Okay, and then we move into 2022 where we got married. Me and Joy did get married in 2022. 2022 was the year that I began to travel a lot. I have always traveled, since a little girl. My parents were very adamant about us traveling. And as an adult, I love to travel. You know, as an entrepreneur, I've been so grateful to be able to travel as much as I have. But 2022 was really the year that I pushed the mark for travel and decided to become a travel agent. I launched my travel agency, JCD Travel Services, and now JCD Investment Group has become a house of brands. We are offering so many different things and providing service to so many people. And so I wanted my YouTube channel to reflect that. I wanted to show what is actually happening in my life, from the short-term rental side of things to the business coaching and mentorship side of things to the travel agency side of things, because all of it is all a part of my real life and a part of my daily life. So I'm so excited that you're here. It's Chelsea Daniels. That's who I am. And I'm so happy that, you know, I get a chance to share these things with you. This is a message to all of the entrepreneurs that are out there, because I realize that entrepreneurship is really taking your ideas and creating something that will allow you to sustain your entrepreneurial journey. And that takes a certain level of drive, ambition, focus, so that you can actually execute. I realized over the last 8 years, I've been an entrepreneur now, almost 8 years in August. I realized that whatever you, and it sounds cliche, but whatever you put your mind to, you know, when you put your mind to that thing and you trust yourself to do it, you can do it. And I've proven that to myself over and over. So I'm really just excited to share with you all here on YouTube, because I know there are so many entrepreneurs like myself out there who have so many different ideas, and they feel like they have to focus on just one thing. And I've had people even say to me, like, you do so much, you have so much going on. But the reality of it is, you can take on whatever you can take on as long as you can handle it, you know. And with the travel agency, for me, I was traveling so much already, I figured, why not be able to make money on my travel, you know. So I'm particularly excited about the travel part of the channel, because I do take a lot of trips, and, you know, I do a lot of different posts about just some of the different things I do, like the cruises and the all-inclusive resorts and just different things. And I get so many questions. So I'm excited to bring that to YouTube now, because I know there are so many people who want to just see what's out there that's not right in front of them, you know. So I'm excited to intertwine all of my worlds into one here on YouTube with you all. I hope that you continue along my YouTube journey with me. I plan to be consistent. I plan to be present. I plan to be interactive. For my subscribers that have been here, you know, drop a comment below. Let me know, you know, how I can continue to post content that you want to see, because the thing about the cleaning lady was, you know, she was very niched, and my life as an entrepreneur is no longer niche. I do focus still on cleaning, especially with our short-term rental units and the units that we launch for our clients. Cleaning is still very much a big part of my entrepreneurial life, but it's not the only part. And so I really wanted to shed light across the board of everything that we have going on. I have put a lot of time into coming back onto YouTube. I have some amazing content planned for you all. So thank you to all 400 and a couple odd numbers of my subscribers. I appreciate you all, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I know that you will not be disappointed in the content you will find here. It's Chelsea Daniels, and I'm signing out.